What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now I got something completely different here, guys. This is from a company called Advaya. I don't know if I butchered that. I might have not. I'm not sure. But at the same time, it reminded me of a case I was interested in, the Arc Pulse, which I just feel like was ridiculously high, so I didn't buy it. But I came across this on my Amazon feed, so I copped it, and I really want to show it to y'all. This is a minimal phone case. Now, if you look at the picture on the front of this box, guys, as you can see, it's two parts. If you're not familiar with the Arc Pulse or this Advaya minimal case, this is actually like just a frame up top and a frame down bottom. Now, the color that I got this frame in is champagne to match the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro. So if we take a look at the back, as you can see, it's not a lot going on, not a lot of information. Minimal phone case, aluminum alloy. This is supposed to be like aerospace grade aluminum, so it should be pretty interesting. Product function: minimalist protection and shock absorption aluminum case. So we just gonna get it open like so and see what's going on. So first and foremost with this case, I guess you got some stickers, some things that you need to make it attached to your device. You got some cleaning wipes to clean the surface of your phone to apply the case. And now take a look, guys. We got the case. It's supposed to be champagne. It's almost got like a copper look to it. Look like it's going to go with the iPhone 16 Pro and Desert Titanium aesthetic really good. As you can see, they even come with lens covers. And this will be the bottom part of the case and the top part of the case. So upon a quick inspection, guys, this is definitely real metal. And as you can see, nice unique design that's going to wrap around your camera and all of that and around the edges of the phone for the drop absorption. And good thing for this installation, the tape is already installed. I guess the tape and the packaging is just extras. Now this is the bottom lip here, and as you can see, just real metal, real aluminum, space grade, lightweight type stuff going on here, but you can feel it's definitely aluminum. One thing for sure, two things for certain, both of these pieces are cold to the touch. So I'm going to pull the tape off and just press it onto the phone and see what it feels like and see what's going on. So here we go. We got the case on, guys. And I mean, this definitely is a unique look. But I see why they had the camera protection going on. The camera protection is because this actual lip on this top frame does not protrude past these cameras. And these camera lenses are going to need some protection in the drop. So I might rock this for a little while. I might try something different. So I'm definitely going to put that camera protection on there. But the whole basis of this case, guys, as you can see, is bolstered up in every corner. And as long as you got the lens protectors on, it's bolstered up in the back. So basically, you know, as long as you drop it on a flat surface, like if you drop it on the ground, it's not gonna ever, unless you have like a surface and it's got like a rock there, then you're done. But like if you drop it on a flat surface, this frame, no matter, you know, how you drop it, is gonna take the impact, even on the sides where it's bolstered up at. So it's just a different look. Let me install the camera lenses and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so time for the final verdict. So I thought I was just going to put the frame on. We're just going to call this the minimal case. You know, that kind of looked like the Arc Pulse. But I will say it was $29.99. So I put the frame on, but then I had to put the lens protectors on because the actual frame of this case don't stick out far enough to go past the camera section. Now, the one thing that does throw me off about this case is, if you notice, the frame protectors are actually in the colorway of the Desert Titanium. They match this aluminum side. See how, this titanium side, I'm sorry, the Desert Titanium. See the Desert Titanium colorway, Desert Titanium type colorway, and then the frame is it's called champagne gold. It's more of a gold tone, so it's kind of like a little bit too many different colors of gold for me. I wish they would have just made these frame protectors. If they was going to do the frame, first of all, I wish this top part of the case would have just protruded past the camera so I didn't have to put this on. But I wish the frame protectors would have matched the actual case, or this whole case with the frame and the protectors just completely match the Desert Titanium. I know it looked like it kind of does. It kind of does, but it's like a couple tones off when you actually look at the case and you look at the lens protectors. But I'm definitely different, and the wheel is definitely adding protection to the phone. It don't feel like it's coming off. If you drop your phone on a flat surface, this thing has got you. Even around front, it is protruding. It give you a raised lip in every corner. So on a flat surface, you should be straight. Now, if we had a flat surface and there was a little rock on the surface, and the phone hit the rock, somewhere in the middle. The rock hit the phone somewhere in the middle would be something different. But it does offer, there is some protection, some value and protection from this minimal frame. But yeah, guys, this is the minimal phone case. And I'll put a link down in the description. This just reminded me of the Arc Pulse for a way cheaper price. So I was like, let me try it out. Let me throw it on the phone. And let me see what my audience think. Depending on, the feedback of this video, we might go ahead and try the Arc Pulse. Because I think the Arc Pulse will be a little bit more raised up around this camera section, and I wouldn't have to do these camera lenses. But for under 30 bucks, it's something different. It's something to try. It's aerospace grade aluminum. It's different. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, just subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.